by Jewish settlers. Tens of thousands of Palestinians packed into the hilltop compound surrounding the mosque earlier on Friday for prayers. Many stayed on to protest against the evictions in the city at the core of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. And police used water cannon mounted on armored vehicles to disperse several hundred protesters gathered near the homes of families facing potential eviction. During the 1967 Middle East War. Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas said that Israel is responsible for the dangerous developments and sinful attacks taking place in the call on the UN Security Council to hold an urgent session on the issue. This latest confrontation comes as tensions mounted in the region during the holy month of Ramadan, with nightly clashes occurring in East Jerusalem, Sheikh Jarrah, a neighborhood where numerous Palestinian families face evictions in long-running legal case. Calls for calm and restraint poured in on Friday from the United States and the United Nations, with others including the European Union and Jordan voicing alarm at the possible evictions. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.